In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar app, and when you find it, access it. Then, if you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Now tap on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. In my case, this one. Then you can create your event by tapping over here twice, or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on Event. Finally, adjust it however you wish to. For example, at the title, pick email address, one of those sections, select starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that part, you can always disable it completely by tapping on this sweater next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. You can also select Custom and adjust it. I will go with every 5 years, after one occurrence. Then save your changes by tapping on Done. In order to disable this option, just click on the same icon and choose Does Not Repeat. Following that, you can add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Now select while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. Finally, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 days before, and click on Done. Change color of it, take notes, and add attachments. Finally, save it by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. In order to edit it, tap on it, click on this pen icon at the top right corner, and make your changes. Then you can discard them by clicking on this X at the top left corner, or save them by tapping on Save again. Now, in order to delete it, click on it, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner instead, choose Delete and confirm your choice, sorry misclick, choose Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!